नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम। अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। लक़द काना लकुम फ़ी रसूलिल्लाहि उस्वतुन हसनह। सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम व सदक़ रसूलुहुन नबिyyुल करीम व नहनु अला ज़ालिका लमिनश शाहिदीन वश-शाकिरीन वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। जो सुन्नते नबवी से रिलेट नहीं होता, जो सुन्नते नबवी से रिलेट नहीं होता, उस चिप की मेज़ा में कुछ वेट नहीं होता। वो हाथ फेवरेट नहीं हक की निगाह में, वो हाथ फेवरेट नहीं हक की निगाह में, जो ब्यूटीफुल को देखकर अट्रैक्ट हो गया। Dear audience and my honorable guests and my teachers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today my topic is Seerat of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was pioneer of the world. He was leader upon and all. He lead the humanity as a whole to ultimate success. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam stayed fast in his duty. He was not speak but necessary things. His saying was pure. He was clean. He was not injustice. He was remembrance of Allah Almighty. My dear audience, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not agree on our matter. He was far away from worldly desire. Kana fakhman mufakhaman. He was honorable. He was reverent in the eye and the heart. Yatala'u wajhuhu tala'u al-qamar laylatal badr. His face was twinkling as the moon twinkles in the full moon light. Lam yakun fahishan wala mutafahishan. He was not vulgar, nor was he shameless. Majlisuhu kana majlis ilmin wa haya'in. His company was the company of knowledge and modesty. My dear audience, the life of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a role model for every person of this world who believe in Allah in the day of judgment. This source of lights and guidance, the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam can lead us completely. The world has seen a lot of scholars, philosophers and preachers, but no one was as great as the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. My dear audience, Allah sent His messenger in every period of history to guide the humanity. The world had been waiting for the last Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam for centuries. This long wait was ended with the wood of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah sent of the last Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sent His messenger as the last message of Allah, and the last previous Sharia was regarded as the last message of Allah Almighty. My dear audience, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam guides us in our individual and collective life. My dear audience, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if Hazrat Musa had been alive, he had no option but to follow me. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born and died in the month of Rabiul Awwal. He is an embodiment of our mercy of all mankind. Allah, all the prophets guide us in humanity, but Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam brought a revolution in the view of the people. This revolution is exemplary in the history of mankind. Our love for the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam involves not only the devotion and passion, but for him, but also there is in deeds also, and we should follow the teaching of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Quran and Sunnah are the basis of our religion. My dear audience, the holy lifestyle of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam guides us individual and collective life. If we want to get success in this life, and afterwards we should follow the teaching and the rules, Quran and the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Urdu poet says, बरोज़े महशर हर एक बंदे का इश्क मुस्तफा में टेस्ट होगा. बरोज़े महशर हर एक बंदे का इश्क मुस्तफा में टेस्ट होगा. जोड़ेगा उस पे ज्यादा नंबर खुदा की नजर में बेस्ट होगा. मुनाफिकों को मिलेगी सजा, सहाबा का दुश्मन अरेस्ट होगा. मुनाफिकों को मिलेगी सजा, सहाबा का दुश्मन فرسٹ ہوگا، نوکر صحابہ کو دیکھ لینا وہاں بھی جنت میں چیف جسٹ ہوگا.